Hello friends, today I am going to discuss TensorFlow. So what is the TensorFlow? TensorFlow, it is like a, you can say just TensorFlow is the free and open source software and library and we use for machine learning and artificial intelligence. So it can be used across the range of tasks but has a particular focus on training and inference of a deep neural network. So, and end-to-end machine learning platform, you can say just here, and prepare a data, use the TensorFlow tools to process and load data, build machine learning model, use pre-training model, or create custom suggestion. So if you go like know about like a TensorFlow, so first I am using a Google Colab platform, and this is the best one of the best platform to use a machine learning programs. So first, this is the Jupyter notebook, and if I am going to apply like a Python's, so first we want to create a production scripts machine learning models with the TensorFlow, and other we can use the pre-trained models or train your own. Find your machine learning solutions for the every skill levels. Also you can use this platform. Go from the research to productions. So and other is the you can accelerate to accelerate the machine learning task at the every stage at your workflow, preparing a data, deploy models, build machine learning models, implement machine learning ops. If you want to discover some tools, implement. So you can solve like a real world problems with the machine learning. So TensorFlow models, like you can also use the Android, iOS and web apps. And if you build a machine learning applications, it is a faster with the TensorFlow. So find pre-trained models, research with the start with the art models, build your own models, deploy anywhere at any skills. So this is a features of this library. So let's see the first. I am going to import the TensorFlow as a TF is a short form. Similarly, other like a form from TensorFlow, import keras and import numpy as a np. We have already discussed, like import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and import pandas as pd. And I am going to start like a numbers. So because I am good in the mathematics, so let's see the a will equal to 5 and b will equal to 5. There are the two variables. Now I want to add these two variables, like a tf add a and b, name add. So let's see the print here c variable. So tf TensorFlow, like we have gotten the add and what is the shape of this and data type. So we can see the very fast. So similarly we can see here the c will equal to tf constant. We have create like a array. You can say the matrix is something. Okay, so the constant like a 2 0, these are the floats, and another is the 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 1 and 4, another 1 2 and 0 1. So now we can use a tf as a TensorFlow library and dot mat mule cold. So we can create the new, and TensorFlow has been create another matrices. So we can see here like this, these are the very basics, and we can look here, you can create it here, look like it can run very fast. And similarly it depends on your internet speed also. But if you compare the others library, really TensorFlow is the faster than the others. So done. Let's see here, just I have created here, so you can see your output here look like this. And now we are going to create the arrays, and we have gotten the output here. So I hope it's clear. Similarly, let's see the number of data points. We are taking as number of data points like 100, and we are creating a numbers like a x will equal to np numpy random dot uniform, low will equal to -6 and high will equal to 6. So size will equal to number of underscore the data points will equal to 1. So let's see the number of this one means 100. So we can create like a array, and x slicing 6 comma and slicing dot around 2. So let's see here, minus, it will start from the -6, so it randomly it had been selected automatically this value. So I hope it's clear. So we have taken like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 value. So let it is selecting a, okay, next time you can draw, look here. So you will see the every times it will change because it is selecting the randomly. So there are number of the options between -6 and 6. So you can see the every times. Yeah, it is possible, you can fix here. Okay, so I have already discussed how to fix this random value. Next another is to define this data as the constant. So x as a variable like a tf dot constants, like we have created this one, this value tf dot float 32, and tf constant another is the 2 and 4, this is also like a float. Initialize the beta, so beta will equal to the tf and variables like 0.01 0.01 TensorFlow. And now the compute the residuals. So let's see, the residuals will equal to y minus TensorFlow of matmu and x beta. So we have gotten the residuals like a y will equal to c plus beta x, you can say. So we have gotten linear equations, we can say here. So let's see, we have gotten the linear form. This is the shape of the 2 and 1, means it has a 2 rows and 1 column. Define the 2 scalar constant, and 2 scalar constants, just is1 is the first constant value I have taken 5, and TensorFlow 32, and s2 will equal to tf constant like a 15 is the another value, and we are going to the add here the TensorFlow add s1 and s2. So and another variable like s1 s2 underscore product means TensorFlow multiply this value. So let's see and print this one like a this one and this one. So first variable, could you see here? So I think yeah, it has been added, and you can see the multiplications, 15 times 5 is the 75. So you can see how it is working. Is it working? It is working very well. Similarly, just I am going to the generate like a 6 tensor from the normal distributions. So tensor and the random normals. So a as a variable, where I have taken the sum arrays 5 10 7 3 2 15, and second array we have created like a this constant value array. So 5, 10, 7, 3, 2, and now we are going to multiply a and b variables. So just I am going to the multiplying these values. So let's see, c will equal to a, and you can write also this way. So there are two ways. So let's see, we have created like this way. So we can see here, this is a way we can multiply this way. This is the way we can multiply. So we have gotten the shape like a 5, 10, 7, 3, 2. Similarly, set the random sets to generate reproducible results, like a TensorFlow random sets the seed 1, and another. I am taking the TensorFlow dot random dot normal, and another TensorFlow random dot normal. So perform the dot product, I think dot product and cross product we studied in the like a high school. So the print this normal and see numpy c. So and we have, I am getting a value like this. Use the normal distributions, draw and generate this TensorFlow. So first TensorFlow normal and another TensorFlow random, and now the matme will look like we are create the both of it together and see dot shape we have gotten like a 210. Next we are taking a variable like a noise np random uniform minus low and high. We have already discussed size the number of the data plots 1. So let's see, we have already created, and I am going to the print here anything, so we can print there. Another, just let's see, z as a variable 7 times x and plus 6x and plus 5 plus noise. So we can see this is a look like a, it has been, you can also look like a, like if you want to the print z and z, we can see output like this. So you are creating like a this one. So I hope it is a clear. And similarly, just if you can take a like a x times x means x square, so np dot column text, this will be very big. And now the checking from my equation, so z will equal to 7 to the power 7 times x, and another is y star y and plus 5. So let's see, just print the expected output, and if you are taking like a x and times 2, so we can see here, let's see, 14, 18 and plus 5. So checking from your equations, set data the number of the data sets like a 1000 and generate the random x variable in the range of the -5 to +5. So just I have discussed, but we need to do you practice. Similarly, just this one also I have discussed. Now print x comma y z sample value for the actual verifications. So x, and we will start slicing 5, slicing like a round, and another is the slicing 2 and slicing round 2. So if you want to the print here, so array has been created, but I have gotten the some problem because of round 2 is not it write the same another like 3. Okay, y is not defined, so I have not taken as a variable like y. So let's see. So we don't have the y. So let's see. Okay, so I think, yeah, so we have created this way. Similarly, let's take here the numpy x and y, we can create this way. So this is the basic to learn TensorFlow, and now similarly I am going to the import the TensorFlow as a TF, import the TensorFlow underscore the data sets as TensorFlow TFDS, and import a numpy as a NP, and I am going to the load this data like a arrays, and it is a inbuilt in the TensorFlow. So let's try and see here. So as we can see my data like arrays. So data we can print here, print a data. Yeah, so it has been completed, this one. So if you want to see here like this data here, so print the data dot head, print like a data. So you can see this one like a, yeah, so you can see like a feature like a tensor space 4, data types like a 32, and label TensorFlow, and all structure has been given. So I think you can understand so how to apply this TensorFlow, and we will discuss the later we can take the some specific model, and I try to discuss more in the next class. Thank you.